What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all staying positive. I hope you guys are all staying well and washing your hands. I know these times are becoming daunting, it can be challenging, it can be lonely, but again, it is what it is. Hopefully we'll get through this as soon as possible. Anyway, it's the times of Corona and we all have so much time on our hands, and personally I've been trying to use this time to make more videos, create more content, just try to do more creative stuff. Now today, as the video says, it's the importance of sound effects. Now my videos, I usually consider sound effects something very serious, but after watching a lot of creatives and looking at a lot of YouTubers and what they're doing out there, I just realized I'm not making the best out of sound effects. Now I'll give credit to two creators who I really watch their videos and notice how sound effects takes their videos to the next level, and that is Make Art Now and Andreas Helm. Is it Andreas Helm? Sorry. Now, Make Art Now and Andreas Helm. Is it Helm or Helm? I think it's Helm. Anyway, one of those. I'll add the links somewhere in the description or down below, but yeah, I'll give credit where credit is due. Their videos are really good and you should really check them out. Now for today's video, like I said, it's using sound effects to take your videos to the next level. Now, for this video, I made sure I didn't use any music. I just tried to use sound effects to move the story. So as we know, it's self-isolation, so I couldn't really go out to film or anything, so I had to get creative within my apartment. So this is a short edit of me just getting up to breakfast and everything. And like I said, this is using sound effects to take videos to the next level. So I'm just using sound effects. I haven't used any music at all in this video. So this is a typical edit of how I would do it with the bare minimal sound effects that I normally use. So that is a video with the bare minimum sound effects. Now this is the video with sound effects.
You have one unheard message. First unheard message sent yesterday at 7:15 p.m. End of message.
Politicians, scientists, and even celebrities all want us to practice social distancing. It means no coming into contact with people unless you need to, so no more visitors at your house.
So yeah, that's the video with sound effects. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Now before I finish, I need to mention where I got my sound effects from. I used YouTube Audio Library, which is in the Creator Studio. I also use freesound.org. They have free sound on their website. So many sound effects. You just need to create an account. And I also used clips from YouTube. So like at the end with the news and everything, that's just like a BBC clip that I downloaded and just got a small bit of it and added to it. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, wash your hands, stay safe, stay positive, and self-isolate. Until next time.